Today we're going to be taking a look at this portable lunchbox. It's an electric lunchbox, so you could heat meals up and even kind of cook in it a little bit. You can see right over here, right off the bat, you have the 60 watts. That's what it's rated for power-wise. And you got the 7.4 volt rated right over there. So let's open this up right here. So we're opening this up. All right, so this is what we have right over here. So this is the plastic piece right over here. This is a bag. Really, really nice. Like the fact that we got the zippered pockets over here where we could just put things inside over there. This is the zipper over here to open this up. We got a compartment up here as well. So if you didn't want something heated, you put this up here, which is really nice. Lots of space over there as well, which is great. So over here, when we open this up right over here, another thing to note, we got little clamps here. So for the strap, once we have that, we have our instruction guide right over here, which is really nice. And then this is going to be the lunchbox itself. So this is going to be the top of it. And then when we take this out, just like this is exactly what it looks like right over here. So we have these grips on the bottom right over here, which is nice. So it is not going to go anywhere. This just goes on simply just like that. And then we're gonna snap this in and then we are good to go with that as well. So in order to use this, we're gonna just pop this open just like that. You'll see right here, we got this dial right over here as well. So we can just pop this out right like this. This is gonna be your actual container right over here. So when we take this off, just really like that, inside here, we're gonna have our charger right here. So this is what's gonna charge it up. We have our strap right over here, and it even comes with a fork and spoon, which is really nice. So what we're gonna do here is once you have this situated right over here, you're just gonna hit this on button right over here. Oops. Oh, we gotta put the top on real quick, actually. So once we got this top on and situated, just like that, we're gonna hit this on button right over here and you'll see, so that's a nice little feature. We could set everything the way we want it. This has a timer, so you could check the different modes if you wanted to. You could do minutes, you could see how much battery you actually have here. As well, you could regulate it, so you could set whatever you need for that. So if you're in the market for a portable lunchbox, definitely check this one out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.